91, 92, 92, 92.
Good morning. Hopefully everybody out there is having a good day. Back here at the auction, trying to find some good vehicles. Let's see what we got. Got a Ram, Mustang, Cruze. Yeah, it looks like these vehicles are gonna be pretty high. Hey, that Mustang got a little damage. Still gonna be expensive. Not that I need a Mustang. Yeah, that's a Duramax. That's gonna be some money. Let's make it where I can see a little more of the truck. Yeah, but we'll look at it anyway. BMW back there. Not really interested. Look at these. These things don't go for much at the auctions. They're good cars. They're just, I don't know. Made a billion of them, I guess. Malibu. What is it? A Volkswagen Jetta or something. Another Malibu. That's a good looking Ram. That's, oh, it's 18 model. Okay. Genesis. Well, I don't know about this one, you know, see where it came from. Might be a reason it's here. But we'll look. BMW, Ford, Cadillac. The 200 with a bumper if it's in the dented up front. Let's see. Not really interested. Little Ford there. There's a Nissan, an older one. Or it's not older, it's a newer one. These little Frontiers, they ain't changed the body style for a long time, but they got a couple of them, so I might drive some, like this 17 model. It looks like it used to belong to a company. Same thing with this little Colorado here. Yeah, so we'll check this out. These little trucks here. Little Kia Souls. Looks like it's pretty beat up. Dang, this Dodge is too. That car is gone. Why did he bring this thing to auction? This thing might need to be a Copart. There's another there's a Highlander. You know this thing is gonna go for expensive. These things are pretty nice though. It's a 14 with 100,000 miles. I'm gonna look at it because these things they really are good cars. But yeah, it's gonna be too expensive, I know. Anyway, guys, I'll check them out and let you know if we find anything worth bidding on. It sells, all right, but it's just a little too beat up. Man, what'd they do? This is what they have inside the auction today. I don't even know how to open the door on this thing. Oh, here's something. Wow, boy, I don't even think I can get inside that. Oh, man, no. This thing is stupid. It's kind of dark in here, huh? But I'm not gonna start it because it's inside. But God, I would not want to be driving this. This seat's all the way back, and I don't have much room at all. And if I was having a shift, which, oh man. I was trying to turn the light on for you, but I don't know how. Anyway. Yeah, no, it's, oh shit. It's an automatic. I bet this thing is crazy. Let me check them out of here. Oh, It's cool, but yeah, can't fit in that thing. I bet it's fun to drive. At the end of the auction, we got this one on an if, $1,000. They're gonna call. It does got some miles on it, but I got it started and drove it. Got the tourist seat. The sunroof was either leaking a little bit, or I found it not closed all the way. So hopefully that's all it is. Needs a set of tires, but I actually have a set of tires for it. And they spray painted it. But if somebody needs a good, 4-door truck, this would be cheap. It could use a set of headlights, or you might be able to clean them up. We could try. Alright, then we'll come back over here. And we got one of these. And we actually bought it. It's not on an if. I paid a little more than what I wanted to for it, but still way under what it should be. I mean, this little Colorado is a good truck. So, got 2 trucks. Well, one and maybe another one, but got that one, 94,000 miles. Need a little cleaning, a little shit stuff here and there, but it'll be a good truck. All right. No luck on these other ones, guys. They was way too expensive. All right, guys. Kind of a little channel update. Got the van. Of course, we got the Jimmy and the Soul. They're both my kids' vehicles now, so they're not going anywhere. Got the van there. It's almost ready. We got to put a oil pressure sensor in it and a passenger door sensor that we got from the junkyard, if y'all can remember. We got this Ram 1500. Picked it up at the auction today. Need some tires, and it has no exhaust. Pretty nice truck overall, though. Got a little tear there, covered before. It's got some miles on it. There we go. There's actually no exhaust on this thing. It's just a manifolds. But that's okay. Still got the F-150 here. You got to finish it up. Almost done with it. Got this Colorado today. I think it's gonna need a wheel bearing, but I'm not exactly sure yet. It does have a little turn seat we gotta get fixed. Now this one actually has some good miles on it. If I can hit the hole, there we go. It's got an ABS light on. I'll hook it up and see what it is. But after driving it, I think the front left hub is going out. So we'll see. But 94,000 miles on it. I think that's what it says. This little light I got to take off. It is magnetic. It does work. So we'll be getting rid of that. Still got the Impala. Still got the Jeep. I got a water heater I got to take to the scrapyard. And that's tires right there. And the Jeep Wrangler. So that's kind of a channel update. This one we still got to fix a little front thing on. That one I got to put a power steering hose on. This car is actually done. So next we'll get these other cars ready, and after I get all these ready and sold, then I'll be looking to buy some more. But I think that's enough on the auction for now until I get everything caught up. So appreciate you guys.